Welcome to lesson 218, using unit rates. Today we're going to talk about how to use unit rates to solve problems. Alright, so there's a couple ways that we can do this. So if we look at the problem, Xavier bought gas at the BP for $45.50 for 14 gallons, or he can buy gas at the Speedway for $3.26. What is the better deal? So what we have to look at here is we have to use a unit rate to figure out our answer. So in this case, our first rate is $45.50 for 14 gallons. To get to my unit rate, I have to divide both top and bottom by 14 because I want to know the price per 1 gallon. And to make this go a little faster, I will use my calculator. So $45.50 divided by 14. It's going to cost me $3.25 per gallon. Right? And when you go to a store or go to a gas station, it'll just tell you that it's $3.26, and they are just telling you that that means per gallon. So in this case, which one is the better deal? Did he get the better deal by going to the BP, or did he get the better deal by going to Speedway? Because this is less expensive, even though it's only by 1 cent, he got the better deal by going to BP. So BP has the better deal. Alright, so this next problem is much the same, except for in this case, it's changing the information a little bit. So I want you to try, I want you to set up your unit rates, and I want you to see who has the better deal. When you come back, we'll go over your answer. Alright, so when he was shopping for his family, he saw that he could get 3 12-packs for $9, or he could get 4 12-packs for $10. So looking at this, we know that we can get 3 packs because the 12 and the 12 are the same. We can just say 3 packs because the packages size are the same. So 3 packs, the money goes on top, so $9 for 3 packs and $10 for 4 packs. I know that I need to find the unit rate because in order to find the better deal, I have to figure out which one is better per pack. So I have to divide by 3 and divide by 3. And this one's nice and easy. 9 divided by 3 is $3 per 1 12-pack of soda. And again, I can just use the 3 and the 4 because the pack size is the same. Now on the next one, I have to divide by 4. I do 10 divided by 4, goes in twice, minus the 8 is 2, bring down the 0, bring up the decimal, 4 goes into 20 5 times, minus 20, and 4 goes into 0 0 times. So in this case, the better deal would have been the 4 12-packs for $10. Even though you're paying the extra $1, you're still getting one more package, and you're paying 50 cents less per package. So in this case, we can write our answer and say that the special of 4 12-packs for $10 was the better deal. And it's the better deal because you're paying 50 cents less for one package than you are with the other deal. Alright, so what I'd like you to do, you have Tara's new car went 328 miles on her 13-gallon tank. Her brother's car went 394 8/10 miles on a 14-gallon tank. So we want to know whose car has the better gas mileage. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to try this, and of course, if you have any questions, please post them to Edmodo so we can go over them in class.